Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will learn how to hide and unhide sheets in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. To hide the sheet, go to the bottom of your workbook. Now select the sheet name that you want to hide. Right click the mouse button and from the drop down select hide. Now you can see the selected sheet has been hidden. You can hide the sheets by repeating the same process or use another method. Select all the sheets that you want to hide them by pressing and holding the control button. Now click mouse right button and select hide. Now you can see all the selected sheets are hidden. To unhide the sheets, right click anywhere in the sheet names. Now from the drop down, select unhide. Now you can see the unhide box appears. You can select the sheets by clicking on the sheet names to unhide them, and after selecting the sheet names, click on OK button. Now all the sheets are visible. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.